Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, and scroll down again and select Reset Options. Select Erase All Data, Factory Reset, and then this will bring up a message letting you know that performing such a thing will remove everything from your phone, including your Google accounts, downloaded apps, music, photos, user data, and just everything. So if you keep anything on your phone that you'd like to, still have after this process, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise it will be lost permanently. Now, assuming you have already backed it up, or you just simply don't want to, we can then progress by selecting Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, I do have a pattern, so I'm gonna draw my pattern, and then press on the Erase All Data once more, which will begin process of factory resetting your phone. Now, this process will take about 2-3 minutes or so to finish up, and once it has, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.